Hello children, now 5th class mathematics. What is our chapter? How much does it weigh? How much does it weigh? See today. How much does it weigh? See now children, in previous class too I am saying only page number 95. B question already, you are already B question wrote children? Yes? Okay. Now I am explaining that B1, okay? Before only I am saying this again. At the grocery shop, a shopkeeper has 170 kgs of Bengal gram dal, 450 grams of kgs red gram dal and 240 kgs green gram dal in stock. He sells these dals in packets of 2 kgs, 1 kgs and 500 grams. So already A1 is completed. Now B1, B question, see children. He packs 80 kgs of Bengal gram dal. How many kgs? 80 kgs of Bengal gram dal in 1 kg packets. First of all, here shopkeeper to how many dals having? How much having? 170. Page number 95 children. 95 page. 170 kgs Bengal gram dal. Bengal gram dal. 450 kgs red gram dal. 240 kgs green gram dal. Green gram dal 240 kgs. Green gram dal. See here, he packs 80 kgs of Bengal gram in 1 kg packets. See here, total here how much having Bengal gram dal? 170 kgs. For here, B question 2, 8 kgs of Bengal gram, 1 kg packets and 90 kgs of Bengal gram, 500 packets. 80 plus 90, how much children? 170 only. So, in 170 kgs of Bengal gram dal to 80 kgs, 1 kg packets to keeping and 90 kgs in 500 gram packets only. They are filling. See here. B question. 80 kgs of Bengal gram dal. In 1 kg packets. How much? 1 kg packets. So how many we need? So 1 kg for 1 packet. So 80 kgs for 1 kg to 1 kg packets only. So here 80 kgs to 80 into 1. So 80 packets. 80 packets. Right children this? Complete it? Okay. Then 80 packets and next one 90 kgs in 500 grams. So completed children this? Okay, now in B2 first step this one and again second step also is there. So second one, there how many will came? 80. So second one, 90 kgs in 500 gram packets. So 500 gram packets. So for 1 kg how many? 500 grams packet for 1 kg. To how many we want? 500 grams means 1 by 2 only. Yes, 1 by 2. So here 1 kg packets. So 1 kg to 2 packets. 2 500 grams packet 2. 500 grams 2 packets. We need 500 grams packet 2 per 1 kg. Understand, children? So half kg equals to 500 grams. So 500 grams packet for 1 kg, 1 kg equals to 500 grams, 2 packets. So write clearly. I am writing here. So half kg equals to 500 grams. So here 1 kg to 500 grams packets 2. We want 2. So here 90 kgs of Bengal gram. 90 kgs Bengal gram. So how many packets we need? Bengal gram. So we need 500 gram packets. How many we need? So here 90 into 2. So 2 9 into 0, 0, 2 9s are 18. 180 packets. So how many packets of each weight will we have? So total how many packets having? So here 180. There again. Completed, children? Okay. Okay, now there 180 packets, there 80 packets. Total how much? 1 kg packets. This third step. 1 kg packets. 80. 500 grams packet. 180. So total packets. So how many total packets? 0 plus 0, 0. 8 plus 8, 16. 1 is carry. 1 plus 1, 2. So total 260 packets we want. We have, sorry. Next C1. He packs 80 kgs of green gram in 2 kgs of 2 kg packets. 40 kgs in 1 kg packet. So and 120 kgs in 500 grams packets. So how many packets of each weight will we have? So C question. So are you completed, children? Okay, now Then B question, 3 steps only having, write neatly. Okay, now C1. C1. 80 kgs of green gram, 2 kg packets. So 80 kg of green gram dal, 2 kg packets in 2 kg packets. So here we'll what to do? There 500 grams packets having means we'll doing 90 into 2 only. So each 1 kg to 2 packets we want. So here 2 kgs having. So here 80 kgs having total. So how to divide or multiplication? Here we'll do division. 80 divided by 2. So we'll doing here upper 280. 2 4s are 8. 0. 0 will substitution here. See children. So answer is 40. Therefore 80 kgs of green gram in 2 kg packets Forty we want. Are you understand children? 40. This is the first step. Next is second step. So here 40 kgs in 1 kg packets. 40 kgs in 1 kg packets. So here 40 kgs in 1 kg packets. So how many? So 1 kg means 1 kg packet. 1 kg to 1 kg packet will taking means nice only. So 40 into 1. 40 packets. We want 40 packets per 40 kgs. Right children? Next to third step also is there. Write fast children. Okay, now this first step completed. Now third one. $120 kg in 500 grams packets. 120 kg in 500 gram packet. So here 1 kg to 500 grams packet. We want 500 grams packet for 1 kg. So here 120 kgs. 120 kgs plus 2 into 100. kg means 500 grams packets into 120. So here 120 into 2, here we do rougher. 2 into 0, 0, 2 to the 4, 2 and the 2, 240. So here 240. So 120 he want 120 240 packets, 240 packets for how many? For 240 packets per 120 kgs. So how many packets of each weight will we have? So completed, children? Okay, now next page they are giving a wholesale grocer has items. Next page, page number 96. A wholesale grocer has items in larger quantities. Fill in the table with total weight of each item. Item, number of bags, weight of each bag, total weight. So here giving one box, we'll drawing I am. Okay, are you completed, children? Okay, next one. Page number 96. Item, number of bags, weight of each bag, weight of each bag, total weight, So this like only having here kg and quintals. Okay, children, this like only having in your textbook to see page number 96. They are given onions and paddy and red gram. Okay, children, here given what given? 20 bags. Wait, children. Okay, now we'll get 20 and 18, 10, 40 kgs, 75 kgs, 70 kgs. So here giving total weight, kgs and quintals. Weight of each bag is 40 kgs. Here how many bags having onions? 20 bags. So here we wrote so 20 into 40. How much, children? 20 into 40? So one bag weight is 40 kgs. So how many bags having for onions? 20 bags having. That's why we will doing 20 into 40. See here. First of all, you do 0 into 0, 0. So you don't know means side 2 will do. Okay. 2 zeros. 2 8 4s are 8. So here we'll do 20 into 40. First of all, we take zeros. Next 0 to 4 is 8. 8. 800 kgs. 800 kgs. Here, see children here 18 into 75. 18 into 75. Here we do, afterwards we nothing. 18. So 18 table came for you. You don't know, so 8 table. 8 5s are 40. 4. 8 7s are 56. 60. Ones place is completed. Now tens place numbers. 0, 5, 6 plus 7. How much? 13. 1350 kgs. Here 10 into 70. 10 into 70. So here 700 kgs. See children, here quintals is given. So quintal means how much? 1 quintal equals to 100 kgs. 1 quintal equals to 100 kgs. I wrote here. 1 quintal equals to 100 kgs. So here, how many quintals having? How many quintals having? 800 kgs. So 8 into 100 only. So 8 quintals. Here 1300 plus 50 only. So 13 quintals. And 50 kgs. Here 7 quintals. Are you understand children? Okay, then write. Write all of you. Write neatly children. The drop work also you write side 2. Okay, now the down will given the heaviest animals in the world. About how many kilograms do you think a cat weighs? Similar dogs or pigs, cows? Which animal do you think is the heaviest in the world? Which animal is the heaviest in the world? So, which animal? They are having one animal that is the heaviest animal in the world. Which animal is this? Yes, elephant. Elephant is the heaviest animal on land, not water, on land. That elephant is saying, my weight is about 5000 kgs. So again, there one shark is there here. My weight is about 35 times more than yours. I live in sea. So they are having animals weight and think which animal in your surroundings weight closest to your weight. So observe children. If each child your class weighs 25 kgs, okay, this all will do. So in next topic they are having heavy weight carries. So in next class too I will explain this. Okay children, write fast, that neatly will write. Notebook to write this also.